For years, doctors and scientists thought that a diet low in carbs, high in fat was unhealthy, but recent testimonials prove otherwise. Those that went on a keto diet saw a wide range of benefits such as reducing the risk of heart disease, epilepsy, and obesity. You think that eating all the fatty food would cause high cholesterol and block your arteries. But the foods we are going to discuss below create good cholesterol. Let's get started. 1. Eggs. If you're looking for a healthy and versatile food, the egg is going to be your best option, but it's all to do with the yolk, not the white of the egg. The yolk contains up to 13 minerals and vitamins, which is quite healthy for your eyes. They can be high in cholesterol, but due to the characteristics of the yolk, it makes LDL cholesterol to move through the bloodstream. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil contains a wide range of health benefits but can also reduce pain and inflammation due to the number of healthy fats that they have. You need to be aware though that if you expose these oils to high temperatures that they can become rancid. You need to use olive oil on low heat or not cook it all. You can use it on salads or veggies to get your daily fat count. 3. Meat and fish. Although meat and fish do contain a high amount of protein which is not keto-friendly, they do contain nutrients not found in any other food. A good example of this would be vitamin B12, which has plenty of iron and creatine that is only found in animals. If you decide to get these nutrients from meat, your best bet is to go with grass-fed meat, as meat from animals that are grass-fed contain more nutrients than those fed with grain and processed foods. Fish is a different story altogether, as it contains more omega-3 than any land animal. You'll find the majority of omega-3 in fish such as sardines, mackerel, and salmon. 4. Dairy high in fat. People frown when you tell them to eat high-fat dairy as it's a main cause of cholesterol, but also it can reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Dairy, high in fat, contains enough vitamins and minerals to ensure that you maintain your strength and stay healthy as you get older. It can increase your muscle mass too. You don't need to get the low-quality cheeses and cream. As they have low carbs, you can eat quite a bit without going over your daily carb allowance. 5. Berries. Most of the fruit you eat contain a high amount of carbohydrates apart from some berries which are packed with flavor. There are 100 different types of berries out there that all have anti-inflammatory effects. Blueberries, on the other hand, have memory improvement properties which are great for older adults and provide the brain with protection from inflammation. All these foods have their own unique properties, but it is recommended you incorporate them into your diet. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates.